Hey YouTube, Untamed here. So I figured I'd show you guys the status currently of my Morimoto XB Headlight install on my 2022 4Runner TRD Pro. As you guys know, 22 4Runner, this is in that lime rush. I'm trying my best to really black out a lot of the accents of it, even more so than I have done in the past. As you guys know, I got 20% window tint on it, 50% window tint on the windshield, which I've never done that before. RSG rock sliders, of course, with the kick out and top plates back here and the grippies. And then now we have these pretty sweet Morimotos. So I've been stoked to get these on. Unfortunately, I bumped into a little bit of an issue, so I'm trying to iron that out now. My high beams aren't working. That's the only thing. Everything else works. The DRLs, the low beams, they all work just fine. It's just a matter of trying to iron out what exactly I need to do to fix the high beams and actually have them be functional. It's kind of weird too, because when let me see if, you know what, I'm just going to try to turn it on. I didn't really think through this video, but let's see if I have the keys in here. And if I do, we do. So excuse me as I do a weird start here. Sorry guys, that wasn't ideal. So let me show you. So forgive me, it's a little loud, but pretty cool, huh? So that's what they look like. They look awesome. However, and I'm gonna do a better video once I have it all buttoned up. Actually, I didn't plan to even do this part of it. I want to show you what I'm experiencing anyway. So when I try to pop the high beams on, so I just popped it on and nothing happens, right? So no high beams. However, when I do this, when I actually do the bright pull, like pull inward, the high beams work. So I'm sure it's an easy fix. I just got to figure out exactly what that is. So for anybody who's bumped into this issue, I'd appreciate any comment that you have on it. Otherwise, I'm sure I can fish that information out of the forums or whatnot. But yeah, that is it. So even when I go, let's see what I have here. I'll just go 2. It's just the DRLs, of course. Pretty cool. I love that it's all blacked out. Let me turn it off. So pretty neat. Definitely excited to actually fix that and get it all ironed out. I'm starting a bad trend of getting halfway through projects before having to hang it up and go to work the next day. So as you see, I still have the taped off for the roof rack there, as I rode the struggle bus on that the other day trying to get the Westcott Designs roof rack on it. But at any rate, just want to share this point with you guys and see what your thoughts are. I'll show you one more time up close. It's just such a sleek looking headlight housing. Yeah, the OEM ones are really nice too, and honestly that's why I never really considered getting them before, because I do think they look good. But for this one in particular, I think the lime rush could use anything to try to make it look better, right? So on the OEM ones though, it does have a little bit of a bubble right here. So the plastic actually kind of protrudes outward right here and bubbles outward here for the corner, for like the turn signal side of it. So just a kind of a little difference there to note. I don't think I'm going to be swapping out the tail lights. I think these look just fine. Some people meow about the fact that it's just too chromy, which I get, but I think they look good. Actually, I like them better than the Morimotos. So the Morimoto taillights that they have. So you guys let me know what you think. And while we're at it, for fun, I ended up swapping out that Diamondback bed cover onto Raptor here. And I think it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than the giant chase rack that comes on the Shelby. That's a bit gaudy, but I think this kind of brings it all together. Honestly, I think if the wheels were black, it'd be pretty slick looking. You guys tell me what you think. With this, I might bring this to the center point of this bar here, the 4Runner rack, whereas I have it in the center there. You guys know I had it set up just like this when I had my iCamper rooftop tent on it, which I took off, of course, the Tundra as well. We'll talk about the Tundra later, I suppose. But figured this was a pretty good look, and I'd share that with you real quick. Let me bop to the other side. Tell you what, I do not miss the giant Shelby Raptor stickers, decals. I don't miss that one bit. Yeah, I think it's a pretty good look. Anyway, guys, made this video too long already, but wanted to share that status mainly of the 4Runner with you. So let me know what your thoughts are as always. Appreciate you watching. Till next time.